Last month on November 25th, I posted that Rocket Labs was an A+ setup, and there's a very good chance that we were going to see a breakout. At the time, Rocket Labs was trading at about $42.60, and as of today, it is trading at $70. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly why we called this out, what requirements within my two-step system were being met, and more importantly, how you can replicate this on your own with the free indicators that we're going to use. Now, at the time, I said that Rocket Lab has been in a bull cycle since 2024. The way that we can tell that is by going to a monthly chart and looking at the monthly BX trender at the bottom of your screen. This indicator and all of our indicators are completely free in the course library down below, and the BX trender is part of step 1. When this indicator is either light red or green, it means that we are in a bullish cycle. And so you can see that we've actually been in a bull cycle, as we stated before, since June of 2024. So this entire time, we have had a bullish cycle in play. And so if you would have just actually bought and held that entire time, crazy enough, you'd be up over 1,500%. It's as simple as that. When you actually learn how to trade with market cycles and look at institutional money flow on a bigger time frame, you will get a very good understanding of when to be buying and when to be selling. Now, within that breakout, there are a lot of times that price obviously pulls back. And if we look at what was happening here on Rocket Labs, price was pulling back in November. Now, we understand that the monthly is showing green. So what we're going to do is now go to a weekly time frame. The top of this chart here is going to show you the weekly candlesticks, and the bottom of your indicator here is going to show us the monthly buying pressure. So as we said before, basically buying anytime this monthly BX is either light red or green is the time to be going long on not just this stock, but any stock. Now, if we turn on the market bias, which is another great indicator that I love to use and also free, part of step 3 within our free course library, you will notice that this indicator is going to show us not only the weekly trend, but more importantly, it's going to show us where price discounts are. And so obviously what we really want to be doing is accumulating inside of these market bias levels and then looking to reduce position size as the stock breaks out. In our Smart Money course, we teach you guys about market structure, and the type of market structure that we only want to focus on is bullish market structure. We want to accumulate in these red zones when price is making a higher low. In this case, anytime price pulls back into that bias. And then we want to be reducing size as the stock is breaking out. And so you're going to see back here when we posted that analysis that the monthly BX trender was green and that we were pulling back into one of those higher lows or into a support level. Now, we said here that after a 45% pullback in 6 weeks, we are back inside of that 1 week zone. And last time that zone was actually tested, price rallied 352% within a 200-day period. So you will see that back here, when price tapped that in April of 2025, we had a massive rally over a 6 to 12 month period. I said in the notes that my plan would be to build a position within that weekly discount zone, targeting $65 to $80 within the next 3 to 4 months. I was not expecting the next 3 to 4 weeks. And that's exactly what happened, but in a much faster time frame than I had initially expected. I thought that it was probably going to take 3 to 4 months to move back up to $65 to $80, but so far it's happened within about 3 weeks. So if you followed this position, congratulations. At this point, you could continue to hold until price hits $80 or maybe even $90. Or if I wanted to be a little bit more conservative, I would close half of my position out here and then let the rest run. But at the end of the day, this was a textbook setup. And this is the type of setup that I run basically on all of my trades. If these requirements are being met in the market, price is trading at a discount, monthly BX is green or showing buying pressure, then I'm going to take the trade. And of course, it doesn't matter or mean that we're always going to be right, because we're not going to. I mean, a great example of this failing as of recent has been Bitcoin, right? If we look at the same exact thing that we just talked about, Bitcoin was in a bull cycle from February 2023 up until October of 2020. If you would have went long each and every single time that we pulled back into this level, you would have made bank over the past 2 to 3 years. And then of course, when you would have tried to buy the dip back here in October, you would have lost maybe 20%. But I will take a 180% win, a 108% win, and a 61% win if it means that eventually I take a 20 to 30% loss. So I hope this video helped. As I said before, if you want to learn this strategy that we used to call out Rocket Lab and then replicate this across any other trades, the link to all of our courses and all of our indicators are down in the course library completely for free. And if you are somebody who wants to implement that strategy with me and my team each and every single day, the link to our Discord community is down at the very bottom of that library. You get direct access to me. You get to trade with 2,000 other serious students who are looking to trade the same exact system as you. You'll get access to all of my real-time trade alerts and our THT student portal, which has all of our fund holdings, our weekly watch list, analysis on each and every single stock that we are trading, and our unusual options flow. The link to that, as I said before, will be at the bottom. Thanks for all of the support, and I'll see you guys next time.